in this video, I'm going to show you how to use reverse polarity on your 808 and kick. This method is used to find the right kick and the 808 that you want to use, and for you to have a good mix and blend of the kick, so your kick and 808 don't sound mushy or don't sound weak. So yeah, so let's get into the video, and I encourage you to watch the video till the end so you can get everything, because I'll be showing you some plugins that you can use to find out if the kick and the 808s are matching good. So I have a sample here, a kick and a 808. So the two ways I can change the reverse polarity on FL Studio. The first way is you can do it on this right here. Now when you notice, when I click the reverse polarity, it actually changes the positive and the negative parts of the wave. So in short, what reverse polarity is, for those who don't know, it's sound waves that have a positive and negative amplitude values. So reversing the polarity makes those positive values negative and the negative values positive. So when I turn on the reverse, okay, let's hear the beat without the reverse polarity. And with the reverse polarity. So already the kick is sounding more beefier with the 808 in this scenario. And also another tip, not all kicks can work with same 808, even if you reverse the polarity. So for you to know that the kick and the 808 are in a in a positive correlation, is you can use plugins called Span. I'll leave a link down below so you can download them. You can quickly rush through. And the other way to change the polarity is on the mixer here, right here. So all you have to do is pan the kick and the 808 on your master channel. You can load up Span. This is a free plugin. Right here you can see it's got a correlation meter. So if this correlation meter is above or is in the positive, it shows that the kick and the 808 are in a good mix. So I'll just play the kick and the 808. So as you can see, the correlation meter is showing that it's in the positive. So that means that this kick and 808 can be used and is in the right mix. Now let me check if I have the reverse polarity on. Okay, so I have the reverse polarity on. Now let me turn it off. It's off. You see that So you can see that the reverse, the correlation meter is showing a negative value. So that means that the kick and the 808 are mashing, and this does not produce a clean mix of the kick and the 808. So now when I turn on the reverse polarity, either on the 808 or kick, let's try the 808. Yeah, you see that it's in a positive correlation. So you can either use this span plugin or this plugin. Still the same thing, just shows you the correlation of the kick and the 808. So these plugins are free. Yeah, I'll leave a link for these plugins down below, and that's how you find the right kick and the 808. So you make sure that your kick is in the right key and the 808 is also in the right key. You can test out your kicks and the 808. If they've got a negative correlation, that means they are mashing, and that's just not good. So you can change the kicks and the 808. So this method works. Sometimes you might find that the kick is already good without using reverse polarity. So you have to make sure and check and hear that the kick sounds good with or without the reverse polarity. And this plugin here, right here, Span, makes it easy for you to know whether the kick and the 808 are in a good place. Alright, so that is it for this video, and I'll upload a tutorial on how to equalize the kick and the 808 so you can get a good clean mix out of them. So yeah, so that is it for this video. You can subscribe to get notified, like this video if you've enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.